Ashkenazi Jews are the smartest humans on this earth, with an average IQ of 115. Historical context. The term Ashkenazi originates from the Hebrew Bible, initially referring to a region near the Black Sea. In medieval times, it came to denote Jewish communities in Germanic Europe, especially in West Germany's Rhineland and northern France. During these early times, Ashkenazi Jews were major players in trade, greatly influencing the economies of their regions. The blend of Jewish and German cultures during this era was crucial in shaping their unique religious and cultural practices. The Crusades in the late 11th century, filled with anti-Semitic violence, forced many Ashkenazi Jews to flee to more tolerant areas in Eastern Europe, like Poland, Lithuania, and Russia. In these new lands, despite religious limitations, they played key roles in economic and cultural life, growing in numbers and forming a distinct identity characterized by their religious practices, customs, and the Yiddish language, a mix of German, Hebrew, and Aramaic. The Holocaust. The Holocaust, led by the Nazis, targeted Ashkenazi Jews, resulting in the death of about 6 million Jews. This event not only took lives but also destroyed a rich cultural heritage. Survivors faced the immense challenge of rebuilding their lives while remembering those lost, making the Holocaust a key part of Jewish and world history. Post-World War II developments. After the war, many Ashkenazi Jews relocated, greatly influencing societies in Israel, the US, and Canada. They actively contributed to fields like science, arts, and politics, while keeping their cultural heritage alive. Despite the horrors they faced, their resilience and ability to adapt were remarkable. IQ and genetics. The high average IQ of Ashkenazi Jews has drawn significant scientific interest. Historically, they were often in jobs requiring high cognitive skills, like trade and finance, possibly leading to a natural selection for intelligence. Genetically, this group has shown unique markers. Studies indicate a higher occurrence of mutations in genes such as BRCA1 and BRCA2, linked to certain cancers but also possibly associated with higher intelligence. Research also looks at genes like FANCC and BLM, related to specific genetic disorders, which may indirectly contribute to greater cognitive abilities. The combination of these genetic traits with a strong cultural focus on education and intellectual activity plays a significant role. Cultural and religious practices. In Ashkenazi communities, synagogues were more than places of worship, they were centers for education and social gatherings. Jewish schools, known as yeshivo, were crucial for studying religious texts, promoting a culture deeply valuing education. Yiddish, their common language, became an important part of their identity, rich in literary and artistic expression. Their religious customs and traditional foods also set them apart from other Jewish groups. Modern contributions. In recent times, Ashkenazi Jews have significantly impacted literature, art, and science. Their focus on social justice and education has led to notable efforts in philanthropy, affecting global culture and society. Cultural factors. A strong tradition of debating and studying religious texts has fostered a culture of critical thinking and curiosity. Their history of overcoming adversity has also sharpened their ability to innovate and adapt, significantly contributing to their intellectual achievements. Dietary influences. Following kosher dietary laws plays a big part in their life, impacting health and potentially cognitive development. Their traditional food and dietary customs are central to community life and identity. Conclusion. With their rich history, intellectual traditions, and cultural depth, the Ashkenazi Jewish community continues to make a lasting impact worldwide. Their story highlights the resilience and capabilities of the human spirit and mind,